guys, welcome back to Craftsy Arts. Today we're going to be making a DIY scrunchie. What you're going to need is fabric, elastic, bobby pins, and scissors. So we're going to be cutting out a 23-inch by 4-inch fabric. If you have a bigger wrist like me, then I recommend you cutting out a bigger piece of fabric so it's not as tight on you. Okay, right now we're going to be cutting out an 8 inches piece of elastic. Remember, the elastic should be smaller than the fabric. Okay, now we're going to be folding the fabric that we just cut and bobby pinning it so it doesn't keep slipping when we're trying to sew it. Okay, now let's get to the fun part. Put it into the machine and sew it all the way down. Okay, now flip the fabric inside out. Okay, now we gotta get the elastic all the way through it. But remember, it's a scrunchie, so let the fabric scrunch up. Okay, now sew the ends together. There you go, your own DIY scrunchie. Remember to subscribe down below so you can see more content.